Hi, our weekly budget recommendation AI agent tells you exactly where to put your money and where to stop wasting it. Here is how our budget optimization agent works. First, it pulls the last 7 days of campaign performance data directly from your Google Sheets with spend, ROAS, conversions, and cost per acquisition for each campaign. Then, the agent automatically aggregates these key metrics into a clean analysis ready format. Then, it sends this performance data to OpenAI's GPT loaded with specialized prompts designed specifically for budget optimization. The AI analyzes spending efficiency, identifies high ROAS opportunities, flags budget training campaigns, and generates precise reallocation recommendations. Finally, the agent delivers actionable budget suggestions directly into your results Google Sheet or pushes them straight to Slack for immediate team visibility. For one client, we reduced their overall budget 15% while maintaining the exact same number of MQLs. The agent recommended cutting one campaign's budget in half. It was bleeding dollars with terrible ROAS, while increasing budgets for other two high-performing campaigns. We use make.com to orchestrate this entire workflow. Here is how the agent looks. We typically schedule this to run right after our performance monitoring agent finishes, usually Monday afternoons. The scenario uses Google Sheets Search Rows module to pull campaign performance data automatically. When the data hits the OpenAI module, GPT generates a comprehensive budget recommendations including high efficiency campaigns ready for budget increases, underperforming campaigns that need budget cuts or pauses, specific reallocation suggestions with percentage changes, surplus budget redistribution opportunities, and priority budget actions for maximum impact. You can review and manually adjust any recommendations before they go live. Once you approve the budget suggestions, the report automatically delivers to your preferred channel with clear, actionable next steps. What are your thoughts on this agent?